Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this electric screwdriver made by HYCHIKA. Now you can find this electric screwdriver here on Amazon. Links for it will be down below this video if you want to go check this thing out. By the way, it's $40 on Amazon, so relatively cheap. Let's go ahead and check out the box first. You can see here HYCHIKA cordless screwdriver, model number right there, little picture of what it looks like. On the side here, better tools for better life. You can see right here, a little battery icon because this thing is cordless. Made in China right there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open it up here. By the way, Amazon label right here if you want to take a look at that. So let's go ahead and cut the heat shrink here. There's also a seal right here. Looks like it comes with a little case. That's pretty cool. What is that? Looks like a little user manual right here. Set this stuff over here. And then we actually have a tie wrap. So I'm going to cut that real quick and open it up. Let's go ahead and cut the tie wrap right here. Just like that. These fold out. And here it is. Just going to get that out of the way. You can see here we have a huge assortment of bits right here. We have some American sockets. Pretty nice. Looks like we can magnetize and demagnetize the bits right here. That's actually pretty nice. Looks like a charger right there. And the actual screwdriver actually feels pretty decent. It's got a decent weight to it. Sweet. Looks like it's pretty low on charge. Or that's the, okay, never mind. That's the, I guess how fast it could go. Right there, so you have 4 levels. That's pretty cool. We have this like a swivel, I don't know what to call this, swivel joint, I guess. That's pretty cool. We'll definitely be testing that out. And then some more bits right here, Phillips, flathead, and so on. So there it is, pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it does. All right, so here I have the HYCHIKA electric screwdriver here, and this is not really, in my opinion, meant for automotive use unless you're doing like interior work and stuff where fastener torque is not all that critical, because this thing can't put down a whole lot of power. This is mainly for, you know, around the home stuff and, like I said, maybe interior use on a car. But I did want to go ahead and see if it would break like this nut here loose. This is just for the engine cover, and right now it is snug just a little bit with my little 1/4 inch ratchet right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I have an adapter going on to a 10 mil, which is the size of this nut right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, see if I can break it loose. And there you go. See, it did. Struggled just a little bit, but it still broke it loose. Let's go and try it again. And there you go, that's as tight as I could get it right there. So, I mean, it works, and it seems to be working pretty good. It seems to put down a decent amount of power. And by the way, that was in max, which is maximum torque and power. So, there you go, pretty cool. All right, so here's the door panel on my car, and down here there's a little Phillips head screw. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if it can break it loose, which I can already tell you it does. I tried this out before I even started this clip. But here you have a little Phillips head attachment here, and here's this little swivel joint. This thing's actually pretty cool, and it seems to work pretty well. You can see it's at like quite the angle here, and it still turns the end, so that is actually pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the screwdriver here. And I'm gonna put it right down here. Let's go ahead and get it out. And just like that, it is loose, as you can see. Just going to put it back in. Okay, and that is plenty tight right there, and you can see, did it with absolutely no issue. So, pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and use this thing on some switch covers right here. So for this type of stuff, you're probably going to want to put it in the lowest possible torque mode right there, especially when you're tightening these, because you don't want to over tighten them and crack the cover. So let's go ahead and get this in here just like that. And you can see it takes them out no issue. Tighten it back up without getting it cross-threaded. And there you go, that is plenty tight. So there's that one. Let's go and do this one, which actually that one's already loose. Huh. Let's go and tighten this one back up pretty tight and see if it could break it loose. Yep, no issue. Pretty cool, there you go. All right, so there it was. Seems to be working pretty good so far. I just wanted to go over some of the bits though. Here you have 5/32, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. These are all 1/4 inch drive, as you can see right there, and they seem to be of, well, decent quality. Here you have the little adapter here to use on these right here. So there's that, put that back in here. And then here you have an assortment of Torx drivers, some C2, C3. I don't even know what the heck would even take those, but they're included. Looks like you have some square ones right here. You also have a huge assortment of Phillips heads right there, flat heads, more Phillips heads right here, SP8, SP10, M8. Again, I don't know what would take those, but hey, they're included, pretty cool. You also have, of course, the screwdriver right here, which I already showed you guys, seems to be working just fine. And then even more Phillips heads right here, and then 2 flat heads, and then think of this as like basically an extension for these. And then of course you have this pretty nice little swivel joint type of thing right here. Works without issue. Again, you guys saw it. I was using it at a pretty extreme of an angle, and it was working just fine. So this thing is pretty cool. Anyways, there it is. All right, so there was a quick unboxing and review on this HYCHIKA electric screwdriver kit. Overall, in my opinion, it seems to be working pretty good so far. I don't really think this is meant for like engine work and stuff like that, like I would be doing, because it only puts down about 2 foot-pounds, and that's not enough to really do a whole lot in an engine. This would really be good like under an engine, just simply screwing down the fastener and then going through and tightening it with like a torque wrench later on. However, this would be good for like interior work, where, you know, fastener torque is not all that important and stuff doesn't typically, you know, get tightened down all that much. So this would be perfect for that, or this would be perfect for like around the home. I showed installing the light switch, little bezel there, and it did that, of course, without issue. Those torqued to like nothing, just hand tight, and of course the thing did it without issue. So again, overall for the price, seems to be pretty good. Comes with a whole bunch of bits right here, and the actual driver, the screwdriver itself seems to be pretty well built. It's very easy to use. You just press this for your torque slash power level, and then here that's tighten and loosen. And then down here you have your little, this is actually pretty cool. It's a USB-C charging port of all things. So that is pretty nice. So overall, I am pretty happy with it and seems to be working just fine so far. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.